Good afternoon, students. Okay, so today we'll learn how to find A inverse using elementary row transformation. Okay, elementary transformation. So, using elementary row transformation, how to find A inverse. Okay, so using elementary transformation. So, basically, I will use row transformation here. Okay, so this is row transformation is quite comfortable than column transformation, I feel personally. So now let me do it with one example. Okay, so first of all let me erase this. So the question is, the matrix A is given, that is 1 3 minus 2 minus 3 0 minus 5 2 5 0. Okay, this is the matrix. So the question is, what is inverse of A? Okay, in real number system we already know that if any number, suppose 2 equals to, I can write, okay, this is 1 into 2, where 1 is the multiplicative identity, isn't it? 1 is called multiplicative identity. Similar in matrix, I will write A equals I into A. Okay, if I will divide A both the sides like this, okay, so this matrix A by A, I cannot put 1 here, because in case of matrix this will be identity I. And what about I by A? This is A inverse. Okay, and then this A will remain as it is. So I equals A inverse into A. Okay, so this is the procedure. Okay, so that means first I have to write A equals I into A. So first I have to write A equals I into A. Okay, so that implies, what is this A? This is the matrix 1 3 minus 2 minus 3 0 minus 5, then 2 5 0. Okay, this is one 3 cross 3 matrix, so I have to put the identity matrix of 3 cross 3. Okay, so 3 cross 3 identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, and then into A. Now what is the trick? The trick is you have to make these diagonal elements 1 first. Okay, because in the end I have to make it I, right? Okay, then automatically it will be, okay, if this is A, then this will be A inverse. Okay, the changes made here will be also made here. Okay, the row operation or column operation, whatever I am applying. Okay, so this will be automatically A inverse. Okay, and I will try making it identity matrix. That means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so now the first step is always the first element of the first to first column. This is the first element, right? This first element should be made 1. Okay, but fortunately this is already 1. Okay, then we don't have to worry. Okay, so fortunately this element is already 1, right? So okay, let me tell you, if it was not 1, if it was not 1, suppose it would be like 2 3 minus 2 whatever, but not 1, like this 2 5 0. Okay, so suppose this element is not 1, then I have to make it 1. So how can I make it 1? My first priority should be, I have to make it 1. Okay, so how to make it 1? I can make it 1 by dividing this row by 2. I can divide the whole elements of this row by 2. In such manner I can make it 1, that is 2 by 2, then 3 by 2, then minus 2 by 2. Okay, and I have to write like r1 is 1 by 2, r1 like this I have to make, correct? Or in other means also I can do this one. Okay, how? Suppose I will write this r1, 2 times of r1 plus r2, I can write like this. So 2 times of r1, that is 4, okay, plus r2, that is minus 3. So 4 plus minus 3 is 1. Similarly it will be 1. Similarly these two elements will be changed. 2 times of 3, that is 6, plus 0, that will be 6, and here it will be 2 times of r1, that is minus 4, plus minus 5, that will be minus 9. Okay, once, okay, if I'm okay doing the changes, all the elements in the row will be changed accordingly. But here I don't have to worry because it is already 1, it is already 1. So let me write it as it is. Okay, so the next part is, always remember, when the first element is 1, then corresponding other two elements of the first column, okay, that should be made 0. That means if this is 1, first element 1, then the corresponding elements of this column where the first element is 1, that should be made 0. That means this minus 3 should be made 0 and this 2 should be made 0, and we can make it by using this one, using this row 1. Okay, then how to make it? Let me write it. So let me make it like r2 will be, okay, r2 will be changing to, just see, minus 3, it is there, minus 3, minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So to make it plus 3 I have to multiply it by 3. Okay, so r2 will be r2 plus 3r1, I can write like this, right? r2, I can write r2 plus 3r1, correct? And similarly r3, this can be made 1. Okay, sorry 0, this should be made 0. So how to make it 0? Okay, so r3 can be made by r3. If I will subtract this 2 times of this 1, so that means 2 times of r1, okay, then this will be 0. Okay, so now 1, okay, 3 minus 2, no change because we are changing this r2. So minus r2 is r2 plus 3r1, so minus 3 plus 3 into 1, that is 0. Okay, okay, so this is 0. Then 0 plus 3 times of uh, this 3, okay, so that would be 9. Okay, then minus 5 plus 3 times of minus 2, so minus 5 plus 3 times of minus 2, the minus 6 minus 5, so minus 11, isn't it? So this would be minus 11. Okay, then r3 is r3 minus 2r1. Okay, so r3 I can write r3 minus 2r1, so this is 2 minus 2, that is 0. Okay, then 5 minus 2 times of 3, so 5 minus 2 times of 3, that is 6. 5 minus 6 is minus 1, isn't it? Minus 1. Then 0 minus 2 times of 2, so 0 minus 2 times of minus 2, so minus minus, this will plus 2 times of 2 is 4. Okay, so this is the matrix we got in the LHS. Now in the RHS, similarly this identity matrix will be changed similar way. Okay, this operation, okay, is performed on this matrix also. Okay, so r2, let me write r1 1 0 0, then r2 is r2 plus 3r1, so that is 0 plus 3 times of 1, so that is 3. Okay, so 0 plus 3 times of 1. So then here 1 plus 3 times of 0, that is 1. then this will be 0. Okay, so now then R3 is R3 minus 2 R1, so 0 minus 2 times of 1, so 0 minus 2 times of 1, that is minus 2. Then 0 minus 2 times of 0, that will be 0. Okay, so this is 0. Now 1 minus 2 times of 0, that is 1. I hope all of you are getting me till now. Okay, so this is into this A will remain as it is. Now let me erase this step, because now the changes would be made, okay, looking to this matrix, this equation. Okay, so now what is our job? Now this should be made 1. As I said, the trick is you have to make all the diagonal elements to be 1. Okay, so this should be made 1. So how to make it? Okay, there are many ways to make it 1. There are so many ways to make it 1. So if I will be like, divided by 9, if I will do 0 by 9, 9 by 9, minus 11 9, it is okay, but the fraction part will come, then it will be quite uh, inconvenient to operate the fractions. So let me think other ways. Okay, so if I will multiply this minus 1 with 8, suppose minus 1 into 8, that is minus 8, and this minus 8 when added to this 9, okay, then so what about this? Okay, so 9 minus 8, that will be 1, right? So that means I got it like, okay, so R2 can be written as R2 plus 8R3. Okay, R2 plus 8R3. So this is 1 3 minus 2. R2 is changed, so this plus 8 times of 0, that will be 0, no problem. And now 9 plus minus 1 into it, as I showed it. Okay, so now this is 1. Okay, now minus 11 plus 8 times of 4, so minus 11 plus 32, so which is 21, right? 21. Now 0 minus 1 4. Okay, so similar changes will be made here in the RHS, this matrix. So now 1 0 0, so R2 can be written R2 plus 8 R3. So R2, that is this first element of this R2, plus 8 R3, so 8 times of minus 2, that is minus 16, plus 3, so minus 13. All of you, I hope you are all understanding. So 1 plus 8 times of 0, so 1 plus 0, that is 1. So 0 plus 8 times of 1, so 8 times of 1 is 8, plus 0, that is 8. Okay, so now minus 2 0 1, now okay, into A, this A will remain as it is. Now let me erase this part. I hope you are all understanding till now. Now what is the next job? The next job is to make it 1. Okay, no, just we are not over, because after making this one, this diagonal element 1, the corresponding element of this column, okay, of this column, that is 3 and minus 1, should be made 0. We cannot forget it. So our next duty is to make this one and this one 0. Okay, the corresponding element of which we made this one. Okay, this was other than 1, that's a 9, I guess, so it was 9. So we made it 1, and after making it 1, the corresponding element of this column, okay, as in the previous case, okay, it was already 1, so these two elements of this one column, that is that was made 0. Similarly, this and this should be made 0. Okay, so now, so how to make it 0 and this 0? Okay, okay, so now if you just see, we can use this. So if I will write r1 as, okay, so if I will write r1 as r1 minus 2, sorry, minus 3 r2, because this is 3 minus 3 times of 1, that will be 0. Okay, and you just see r3 can be made r3 minus 1 plus 1, this will be 0. So r3 plus r2, so r3 plus r2, this will be 0. Okay, so now let me perform this. So r1 is r1 minus 3 r2. So r1 is we are changing this r1. So 1 minus 3 times of 0 is 0. Okay, 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay, so this would be 0. Then minus 2 minus 3 times of 21. So minus 2 minus 3 times of 21. 3 times of 21 is how much? 63, right? 63. So minus 2 minus 63 is minus 65, isn't it? I hope you are all getting me. So minus 65. Okay, so let me erase this. Now, okay, so we have already erased. I think this was 100. Okay, so this was 8. Okay, okay, now, so r3, so r2 will remain as it is, no changes in r2. Now r3 is r3 plus r2. So 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 1 plus 1 0, then 4 plus 21 is 25. I hope you are all getting me. So now r1 is r1 minus 3 r2. So 1 minus 3 times of 1 minus 3 times of minus 13. So this is minus minus plus 3, 13, 3 into 13 is 39. So 1 plus 39, that is 40. Okay, so this is 40. Then 0 plus 3, 0 minus 3 times of r2. So 3 times of 1, that is 3. So 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. Okay, now 0 minus 3 times of 8, so minus 24. Okay, so minus 13, 1, 8. Then r3 is r3 plus r2. So minus 2 plus minus 13. Okay, so minus 2 minus 13, that is minus 15. Then 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then 1 plus 8, that is 9. Okay, so now this part we got it. Now this a. Okay, so let me now erase this one, because okay, so now the next part. So here you have to give implies symbol. Okay, so now what is our job? Our job is to make it 1. I told you, no, the diagonal elements should be 1 first. The diagonal elements should be made 1, then the corresponding after making 1, then the column corresponding elements of that column should be made 0. Okay, so if I have to make it 1, then I have no other choices. Okay, but multiply it by 1 by 25. Okay, if I will multiply it by 1 by 25 into 25, this will be 1, and this is the most, okay, this is the easiest form of making it 1. Okay, then okay, taking these big numbers into consideration and operating with this 25. Okay, so let me write r3 to be r1 by 25 into r3. Okay, so let me write it 1 0 minus 65, 0 1 21, then 0 0. Okay, 1 by 25 into 0, 1 by 25, all are 0. So this is 1. Okay, so now almost we are reaching to the destination of making it identity matrix. Okay, so this 40 minus 3 minus 24, then minus 13, 1 8. Okay, then 1 by 25 into minus 15. So 1 by 25 into minus 15. So minus, this is 3 by 5, right? 5, 3 and 5 into 5. So minus 3 by 5. 1 by 25, this would be 1 by 25. Then this is 9 by 25. Okay, like this, into A. So here it is into A. I hope you are all able to see this. Okay, so now let me erase this one. So now what is our next job? You just see, our next job is to make these two 0, isn't it? We have to just make these two 0. So how to make these two 0? You just see, if I will do like, using this one. Okay, so if I will do like minus 65 plus 65 into 1, so that would be 0. Okay, so r1 I can write r1 plus 65 r3, isn't it? Then r2 I can write, okay, r2 I can write r2 minus 21 r3. Okay, then this will be 0. Okay, so now let me first do this r1 plus 65 r3. So let me do this. So 1, okay, r1 plus 65 into r3, okay, 0. So 1 plus 65 into 0, so 1 plus 0, that is 1. Okay, definitely. So this would be also 0. This will not change because we already know that as we are doing operation, this 0 will come, and zeros will not have any effect on these terms. Okay, only this minus 65 plus 65 into 1, that is plus 65, which is 0. Similarly here 40 plus 65 into minus 3 by 5, so you just see minus 3 by 5. Then this 5, this is 13, right? So 40 plus into minus 13 into 3, 39, which is 1. Okay, so this would be 1, isn't it? So this would be 1. So let me write it. Okay, we are already actually we are doing up this matrix, then we are going for this matrix, but still this would be 1. Okay, so this kind of thing equals. Then what about this minus 3? So r1 plus 65 into r3, so minus 3 plus 65 into r3 is 1 by 25, so 1 by 25. So this will be 13, 5, 13, 5 into 5, so minus 3 plus 13 by 5, so minus 3 plus 13 by 5. So this will be my, okay, taking 5 as LCM, so minus 3 into 5, the minus 15 plus 13, isn't it? So minus 15 plus 13 is minus 2 by 5. Okay, so minus 2 by 5. So let me write it, minus 2 by 5. Okay, then minus 24 plus 65 into 9 by 25, so 9 by 25. So now this will be cut by 5 into 5, 5 into 13, so 13 into 9, 117, 117 by 5, so minus 24 plus 117 by 5. You just see, if I will take 5 as LCM, okay, if I will take 5 as LCM, then this will be 5 into minus 24, that is minus 120 plus 117, so this is minus 3, minus 120 plus 117, which is minus 3, so minus 3 by 5. Okay, so here minus 3 by 5, this is a third element of the first row, A13. Okay, now let me okay, this r2 will also change, so r2 will change to r2 minus 21 r3, so r2 minus 21 times of this, so 0. Okay, so this will be also 1. So now 21 minus 21 times of 1, so 21 minus, like just see 21 into 1, so 21 minus 21, right? so this would be 0. Okay, so similarly minus 13 minus 21 times of R3. Okay, so minus 13 minus 21 into 1 second, 21 into R3 is minus 3 by 5, so minus 3 by 5. Okay, so you just see minus 13, this minus into minus, this would be plus. Okay, this would be plus. So now 5, okay, 21 into 3 we know 63. Okay, this would be 63. So you just see this is 63. So now taking 5 as LCM, 5 into minus 13 is minus 65 plus 63, isn't it? Plus 63 by 5. So which is minus 2 by 5. So that is minus 65 plus 63, minus 2 by 5. Okay, so minus 2 by 5. So here minus 2 by 5. So what about this 1 minus 21 times of R3, that is 1 by 5. So 21 into 1 by, sorry, 25, 1 by 25. Okay, so 25 being LCM, 25 into 1 is 25, 25 minus 21, that is 4. So 4 by 25, isn't it? I hope you are all getting me. So 4 by 25. So let me write it here, 4 by 25. Then 8 minus 21 into 9 by 25. Okay, so you just see 21 into 9 is how much? 189. I guess it is 189. Okay, so now 25 being taken is CM, 25 into 8 is 200. So 200 minus 189. So what is that? 200 minus 189 is 11. 11 by 25. Okay, so okay, you are all getting me. So 11 by 25. So this is 11 by 25. Okay, so now R3 is not operated, so this will remain as it is. So minus 3 by 5, 1 by 25, and 9 by 25. Okay, so this into A, here I have to write A. Okay, so now let me erase this step, and now what I conclude. Okay, now here, okay, this was 0 0 1, I forgot to mention. Okay, this was 0 0 1. Okay, so just see, now we got this as identity matrix I. Okay, now automatically it becomes your A inverse into this A. Okay, this A was there initially from, okay, from the beginning. Okay, so now in place of A inverse we got this. So that means our A inverse we can write, okay, therefore A inverse equals 1 minus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 4 by 25, 11 by 25 minus 3 by 5, 1 by 25, 9 by 25. Okay, so this is the A inverse that we got. I hope you all understood, and this is the trick. The procedure is to make all the diagonal elements of A as 1. Okay, once you make the first element 1, then make sure you make the corresponding other elements of that column, that means where the 1 was done. Okay, that we made 1, the first element, that should be 0. Okay, now how to make it? By using this one. Okay, the changes, there will be changes in other matrix, but these two will be 0. Okay, then similarly this should be 1. Okay, and these two other elements would be made 0, corresponding elements of this column where 1 resides. Okay, so similarly this one. Okay, so this is the procedure. Here I will not stop in any at any point, because I know how to make it. Okay, I know the procedure. I will not stop. I will not think what to do. Okay, where I will get this. Okay, the identity matrix, how to make it 0, that okay, that Okay, I think that is understood. So I hope you have got this idea about how to make it by rote transformation, elementary transformation. Okay. Okay, see you in the next class with another concept. Till then, take care. Bye.